Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? Well, we're at home, continuing the Evan Palooza with day number 7. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Harry Potter Legos.
Okay, so time for Harry Potter Advent Calendar. You ready, Beck?
I am.
All right, did you find number one?
Number one.
Number one.
And I love
Oh,
these because they're very easy to open.
yes, and they show you
What it is.
what you have to do.
Right.
So we're going to do a Harry Potter Lego. But we'll do them at the end, and we'll show everybody what they look like when they're built.
Okay, so there.
Okay, so number one is Harry Potter. All right, number two. Right there.
Oh, God.
It is
That thing.
I don't know.
It's a that thing.
It's a Hogwarts Express.
Yeah, no, is it?
No,
It's
it's a little train. It looks like
Yeah,
it's a little
toy
train. Little toy train.
Little,
Very cute.
Little toy Hogwarts Express.
Number 3
Three.
is Christmas trees.
Yeah, looks like
Snow-covered
Christmas
Christmas trees.
tree. Yeah, just a Christmas tree.
Oh, just this one snow-covered
Christmas
tree. Okay, number 4 is over here.
Okay.
These pop in like really easily.
Yeah, these pop open real easy. Lego's good with that.
It's another tree, but it's got ornaments. It's got lights on it. Ornaments and
Okay.
lights.
Sounds good. Okay.
And number 5.
It's the
Flags.
house flags.
House flags.
Okay.
Number 6. McGonagall.
Yep. Professor McGonagall.
My second favorite.
Okay.
Number 7. It's a table in the Great Hall.
Yep. That's the table with the candle or the goblets.
Number 8. Turkey! And some
Turkey and some
sides.
like potatoes or something, or biscuits.
Those look like my grandmother's triple rolls. or
Oh yeah,
whatever.
they do look like the tri rolls. Yeah. Cool.
That was number 9 is down here. The other
house
houses,
flags. Yeah.
house flags. Number 10 is up here.
I'm waiting for Hufflepuff flags.
Ron Weasley
Got Ron in his
in his Christmas sweater. Merry Christmas, Harry. Merry Christmas, Ron.
Christmas roll.
Can we just?
And 11.
I love it.
Oh, this one. Another table with a candlestick.
Okay. There you go. Okay.
And
Number
that was
12 is over here.
we got some croissants,
Yeah.
some a tart,
Yeah, and some
some
goblets.
some
Okay.
goblets, and some looks like sausage patties.
Sausage roll.
Sausage roll.
And 13 is right up here.
House flags.
More house flags.
How do we have so many house flags? There's
Yeah.
only 4 houses. All right, that's 14.
Because each house have 2 colors.
Okay.
Oh, we got a Hermione.
Hermione, yay.
I'm going to bed before
Okay.
I make you come up with another color.
15.
Oh,
Is it 15? 15's over here.
No.
We have...
It's a witch snowman.
Oh, cute. All right.
16 is here.
16. Yep.
Got a wizard's chessboard.
This is
Wizard's
Wizard's chest. Awesome.
Wizard's
Okay.
chest.
17. Over here on the bottom.
House flags.
House flag.
My house.
That's Vivi's house. 18's up on top. And we have a child of some sort.
I don't think it's a child. I think
Yeah,
Is
that's...
has
that
a
a professor?
mustache.
No, I think it's... Yeah, I think
Is
it's...
that Med? Is that not Mad Eye Mooney? Who's the
Phil, no, what was the one
Professor
that...
Lupin?
It's
Yeah.
Lupin.
That looks like Lupin to me.
But Lupin's
Okay.
number 1.
Okay, that was number what?
18.
18. Number 19.
Oh, we got the fireplace.
Yep, with the wreath and everything. Okay, cool. All right, number 20 is over here. And we have something
with
magical.
with the houses,
Yeah.
like a pillar.
Okay. Number 21 up on top.
We got a gold man of arms.
Man of armor.
Yeah. Something. Oh, we'll figure it out when we
open
build them.
And
Number
22
where is it? Oh, here it is.
books
Books.
with letters.
But
Okay.
And
23.
this only goes up to 24, right?
Yeah.
Dumbledore.
Dumbledore.
All right. And number 24. We've got
Oh, like a chest, Harry's
Yeah.
chest with her Hedwig on it.
Hedwig on it. Okay, so Becky's going to build all these, and then we'll show you all the finished product when it's done.
Can I help?
Sure.
Okay, so here is the finished Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Look at all this. How fun. There's so many different things.
Not Jacksepticeye.
And I didn't have that in the shot.
Oh.
But that's okay. Becky built this little guy. It was just like a little thing,
Minifigure.
and gave it to Vivi. Vivi goes, "Oh my gosh, it's Jacksepticeye," because he had the green hair and the Xbox controller. That's so funny. Anyway, so that is Harry Potter, and I'll get close-up shots of everything for you. So stay tuned for day number 8.
Yep.
Hope you guys aren't getting sick of these things yet, but let me know down in the comments.